Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can cite reference an article or image from the Groove Art resource from the University of Oxford Press Collection. Using the previous video's example, on the Hope Family article, just below the search engine, you will find a small menu of icons. The pen icon happens to be the cite icon. Once you click on that, a pop-up menu should appear on the middle of the screen. Currently, the default citation for this is in APA format. If you click on APA, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you two other options to choose from, MLA and Chicago. Once you choose the citation style you wish to use, for example, MLA, the citation will automatically change underneath. Just simply highlight the citation and then simply copy and paste it into your segment.